When disaster strikes, you expect your insurance company to help you rebuild. But there's one moment that can shape everything. The adjuster asks, "Do you already have a contractor?" It sounds simple, but it's not. That question decides who's in control of your restoration process. Say no, and the insurance company may bring in their contractor. Someone who works to keep their costs low. Not necessarily someone fighting for every repair you deserve. But say you're reviewing your options and suddenly you're back in charge. At PL Builders, we work for you. We review every line of your estimate. We push for full code upgrades, and we document all damage, not just what's in the adjuster's report. This is your home. You only get one shot to make it right. So when the adjuster asks, "Do you already have a contractor?" The right answer is yes. I'm speaking with one now. PL Builders, standing with homeowners across Southern California. Free estimate reviews, real restoration support.